What are we doing today, Mas? So today we're cutting some willows and it's cold outside, so I have to wear this to cover my ears and wear some warm boots, and Miles is wearing his coat. We're gonna do that today. We're gonna show you where we get them from. So these are the willows. They call them willows, curly willows. See how like curly this is? So they use it for decoration. They add it to flowers and stuff like that. Thing is, I have it in pots and I left it for a long time, so now they're stuck in the ground. So before I go and plant them in the field, I'm going to cut them first and then sell the whatever comes out of here. So I have a blanket there.
See the lavender? See the lavender? See the bow? We got this bow. This bow is cool. See this bow? I saw the bow, Mommy. We got this bow right the back. It got hooked and it got hooked, Grandma. I don't know the difference.
So I'm going to keep cutting here. So see you in a bit.
On the mix.
We're done. So we're gonna bring up all these willows in the house because it's cold out here. So we're going to clean it inside and we're going to bundle it.
I lost the Lego.
You lost the Lego?
Yeah.
We have less than we usually have. We're gonna have to go out in the field and get some more. We're gonna spread the blankets in the house so that we can clean the willows.
Oh, it broke again. Huh? Uh-oh.
Open more. Yeah, thanks. I'm going to clean all these willows inside the house. So I was inside there, but then I just found out there's a bunch of bees on the willows that I'm cleaning, so I had to come back out here outside in the cold. So I have my big bucket here. gonna be out here for a little while cleaning this, and I'm gonna go back inside to bundle them. So finished cleaning them up from yesterday, and this is what they look like. Now I'm gonna bundle them for selling.
For selling?
Yeah. And I also have pruner just in case I have to cut them. Just don't know how much to put in a bundle.
So now I want to cut them.
Yeah.
So I want to cut them.
Okay, so I think this is good. So, is this good for $5? We'll see what happens.
Okay, Mommy, bus driver,
Bus driver?
Yeah, Mommy.
So I'm trying to mix them up a bit, mix and match. Small and big. I'm gonna keep bundling here, and I'll show you how much we have when we're done.
We're done.
Almost done.
Yeah, almost done.
No, we're not even close. Careful, Myos. We ended up with 15 bundles.
4, 6, 8.
Yeah. Hey?
Yeah.
So we're going to put it in buckets.
Yeah, in buckets.
And we'll bring it down the laneway.
And then I got it.
To have my coat on. That as well. Like that?
Yeah.
Like that?
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna go and bring down the willows down the laneway. So here are the willows. Mas? We have 15 bundles here. We're going to put them in these buckets. Let's go, Mas! Hey? So we're gonna go down. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Look at doggy.
The doggy.
Yeah. It's a little doggy.
Yeah. Here. Here. See my camera, Mom? We have to take down our old sign and put the curly willow sign in. So that's our setup for today. So somebody already bought 4 bundles. So I have 11 bundles left. see what happens today. It should be a good sail day. Yeah? So we sold 4 bundles right after bringing it down. Don't forget to subscribe.